getting a free laptop too. Then listen up, because the Bharti Airtel scholarship program is exactly. So this is the link you can find about Bharti's Airtel scholarship program. So I'll be discussing about what are the eligibility, who is eligible for applying this, and what are the courses or fields you can take, everything. So to be eligible for this golden opportunity, you should have confirmed your admission in 2024 to your UG or 5-year integrated course in fields like computer science, data science, ECE, AI, robotics, and more. Must be from one of the top 50 NIRF ranked engineering institution. So if you wanted to know about what are the institutes which are there, so you can just click here about these institutions like top 50 NIRF engineering institutions. So you can just go ahead and look into these institution and check whether you are enrolled in any of these particular colleges. Okay, and your family income should not exceed more than 8.5 lakh per annum and must be an Indian citizen and not receiving any other scholarship from Bharti Airtel Foundation. So girl students are especially encouraged to apply here, and of course even boys can also apply. So here is what Bharti scholars receive, like 100% annual fees, that is fully covered annual fees, and a hostel and mess fee, free laptop in year 1, and once employed, scholars are encouraged to support another student in return. A beautiful way to give back. So when you're applying, you should keep all these documents ready. You should have your Aadhaar card, admission and fee proof, your class 12 mark sheet, JW or entrance scorecard, income certificates like ITR, affidavit or something, and bank details, your parents and the institutes, passport photo, and SOP and proof of extracurriculars as well. Okay, so you can just know more about this Bharti Airtel here. Once if you click here, you can find more about it. Okay, so these are the benefits. Okay, so you will have a scholarship for the full duration. Scholarships are covered. Okay, so you can just go ahead and submit your all these details. Check whether you have all the proof which I have mentioned. So these proof, all the names of the what are the checklist you should have and who can apply, all these things are in the link provided in the description, so you can get it from there. Okay, so once you can see here that you have this apply now button. So before that, you can see what are the options like eligibility, all these eligibility criteria you can find it here, and the selection criteria you can also see here. And once you are fine, you can just click here apply now. So once you click apply now, you have to log in to Buddy for Study with your registered ID and land on the application form page. So here you can see there are a lot of options. So what is this about program and eligibility? Again, everything they will be telling you, and you can see here. Even if you want to nominate a student, you can also find it. You can also click here. So this is Buddy for Study. And once if you are fine, you can just click apply now. So once you click apply now, it will ask you for the mobile number and the password. You can just log in with your even your Google Gmail ID. You will then be redirected to your Bharti Airtel scholarship program. So just click start application button and begin the application process. You can fill in the required details in the online application form itself and upload all the relevant details which you want to upload. And finally, you have to accept the terms and conditions and click on preview. If all the details are filled in by the applicant are correctly showing on the preview screen, click the submit button to complete the application process. So this is the one, like either you can just go ahead with your phone number or with the email ID, or you can even sign in with your Google ID. Okay, so once you just click and sign in, you can see you have to click create account. Okay, if you are doing it for the first time, just click create account. Okay, you will receive your OTP in your approved email ID. or your phone number probably. So you can just click there and use the one-time password 0. Okay, click submit. And then you have to give all your details, like what is the gender, what is the state, from where you're trying to apply, and what is the class. Okay. Your mother tongue, everything. Okay, so no, you have to give properly. So everything, just click update, and then you can, so just click apply, and you can just click for the eligibility, click start application, and then click start application. So these are the options. So you have to give the Aadhaar number, and then you can continue. Okay, so this is all about this Bharti Airtel scholarship. If you want to know more, please just go ahead and you can find a lot of videos here about the scholarship, about your hackathon, free certifications, and the opportunities, career opportunities right here. So you can find it here and you can get more details about it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon.